Now here's what you tell them. Courage is the foundation that underlies all creative work because you need to be courageous when you are creating artwork. You're putting yourself out there and you face criticism, you face rejection, comments, all that kind of thing. So you really need to be brave to be an artist. Courage is also what is called a work style characteristic of artists. You need courage every single time you create a new work because every single new piece that you create, you feel stress when the work is created. And that fear that repeats over and over again that we talked about earlier is back with every single piece. So tell your students they are brave. Practice a line that you can use in class that tells them they are brave. That is your task. Or just say that. Anyways, write it down and we'll see you in the next section.